hello, welcome to my channel. It's a girl Lindy all the way from the beautiful country known of South Africa. We are still in the early months of the year, and most of us have done the resolutions, and others we have done um, many things that we wanted to do. Others we have goals, others we do have our strategy on how to go around throughout the year. So with me, I'm gonna be showing you my vision board that I have done so that I can be able to go throughout the year with it. Guys, it's good to have a vision in order for you to go throughout the year and follow it. Whatever you decide, whatever you do, whatever the resolutions that you've done, keep them. Stick to your resolutions. Keep to your goal that you are always looking for throughout the year. Trust me, come year end, you'll be able to do or fulfill most of the things that you wanted to do. So, as I'm saying, stick around as I'm going to be showing you my vision board and how to do it. So now guys, my first goal, so I'm going to be using this and this because I'm a practitioner by profession. I felt that I'm not going to be using the internet pictures. I would rather draw them myself and do my own thing to showcase my skills. So my first goal that is in my mind is to finish my degree. So I'm just gonna put this here to finish my degree. Go, go. I just want to finish my degree, and then I want to see myself having my own company. So why not have an office and be your own boss? Remember, it takes a person's guts to be a boss. So I just want to be my own boss, and then go to the gym. I just want to go to the gym to get a nice slim features. You know, to be healthy is a good thing. We need to be always healthy, so going to a gym, it's gonna be a good thing for us to simply go to the gym, gain some muscle and some energy, lift a bit. You know, lifting, it also helps a lot as a human being to build strong muscles. I also want to have a new car for myself. That is one of my goals in my vision that I want to achieve this year. I want to see myself having a car, and I want to see myself traveling, maybe by sea, just to explore, to see the world, how the world is. For me to travel by sea and also travel by plane. I need to go somewhere just to go. You know, traveling, it keeps your mind at bay. It refreshes your mind. You have a good fresh start. This is my plane that I'm gonna be traveling with. Eat healthy food. It's a good thing to always eat healthy food, and it helps to grow strongly your bones. Fresh food always, and meet up with other people. A nice vacation, you just go to a nice vacation to go and meet up with other people. You know, going out, you always meet other people, eh? So when you meet other people, you get to know more friends, you get girlfriends, you get boyfriends out there, out of your traveling and taking trips. It's a good thing for you to do. So guys, this is my vision board that I did for you. This is the one that I did. my vision board for this year. So guys, here is the end results of my vision board that I made for you, and I hope that it inspired somebody who can be able to say it again. So as you come to the end of our video, please comment, like and share, and I will see you on the next video. So I leave you and love you and say to you bye.